Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Feel It channel. I'm Mehdi and today I'm taking you to heart of Tehran city, one of the oldest streets of Tehran, which is called Buzar Jomer Street, that was belonged to royal citadel in the past. But after Islamic Revolution, the street's name changed to Panzdah Khordad Street. There are many worth visiting places around this street, such as Grand Market of Tehran, Golestan Palace, National Bank Historical Building, Justice Historical Building, and Green Garden. That all these places made this street a crowded and important street of Tehran. Best way to getting to Panzdah Khordad Street is taking a snap or using subway line 1 and getting off on Panzdah Khordad station. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when new video releases. Comment me if you had any questions and don't forget to like the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for staying with me.
Police, show me,